So there's the 8 dimmer switches that I got from those other boxes, and under the 4-space Eaton breaker panel that's feeding the garage, I've got a 50 amp breaker in there to feed this RV sub panel. And I'd like to mount it exactly under the Eaton and make basically a short run from the 50 amp breaker to here. But I gotta see exactly what's under there, so pardon my my bad camera work here. Losing the nuts. Should use the magnetic tip, clearly. So I suppose I could use my knockout punch and oh, there you go. I've actually got a round nipple there, but I guess that would be waterproof. Lose those nuts no matter what I do, so maybe I could take my knockout punch and just I've got a 1-inch nipple that I can put there and mount under the Eaton, and then just secure this to the wall, run some number 6 inside to give me my 50 amps. The listing on this, if you go under here, allows me to jumper over from the 50 to the 30 to the 20. Kind of the old way they used to allow those things is the, though, as you can see, this thing has internal overcurrent protection, little breakers. So that would give me a GFI receptacle out by my service panel, which would be nice. And then a 120 30 amp and then a 240 50 amp for the RV parking space that I'm making over there. And I just picked up some pavers, some used pavers from a demo job for my little fire pit area. So not a bad day.